Hyundai Insta. This is quite a little quirky little thing, which is a full electric mini vehicle from Hyundai. First one I've ever seen, to be honest, on the road, so quite privileged to have one here. This customer's brought it in for us just to do a BlackVue install for him, so I just thought, as it's a new vehicle and people might not have seen one, and I'll just show you what we've done. So this one, rear camera, as you can see, not a single cable is showing at all on this. This is a really nice showcase of how a dash camera should be fitted on the rear. So that's there, and then if I just then go round to the front, obviously I'll just show you a quick shot of the funky interior in here. It's really quite nice. And then we've just got the main camera, which is there, and then there's hardly any cables, just disappearing up into that binnacle section. And there's the camera as well. We've also fitted a battery pack which is hidden under the seat. Obviously gives customer extra parking mode. So yes, if you've got one of these new Hyundai Instas and you're wanting a nice discreet installation of a BlackVue Dash camera, then please give us a call here at TTW Installations.